Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Moto G40 Fusion smartphone. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box open, and in top you can see we get the phone. Just get this out. So you can see we get the phone with the pre-installed transparent back case. You can see. Let's remove it. So you can see here we get the transparent back cover with this. Okay, keep this aside. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the small box, and inside it we get some reading manuals, and here we get the SIM ejector pin. Okay, keep all this thing aside, and guys, here we get the here we get the 20-watt fast charger inside the box. Okay, and guys, this is the USB type C to USB cable. Okay, and here this is the empty box. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here you can see is the phone itself. You can see powerful 6000 mAh battery, 6.8 inches full HD plus max vision 120 Hz refresh rate display with HDR10 support, and you can see the blazing fast processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. Here you can see. Okay, now remove it. So you can see this is the big display of 6.8 inches. And guys, if we talk about the phone, you can see it is made by plastic back, you can see, and the frame is also plastic. And if we talk about, you can see weight, it is 9.7 mm. You can see, and if we talk about the weight, it is around 225 grams. Little bulky, but you can see if we talk about the design, you can see glossy design. You can see design looks good. Here you can see ultimate design. You can see, no doubt. You can see the camera. You can see the camera design is also different. You get this module in different color. You can see it looks good. You can see. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, so in top you can see we get the 3.5 headphone jack, and this is the primary microphone. Okay, and if we go here, you can see this is the smart key, and this is the volume up and down key, and this is the power on off key. And here we get the, you can see here we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, and this is the secondary microphone. And if we see here we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay guys, we get the hybrid. Yes, we get the hybrid micro SD card slot support. You can see we can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. Yep. Okay, and here you can see, this is the triple rear camera with rear mounted fingerprint sensor over there. And if we talk about the front, it has 16 megapixel. You can see in punch hole display 16 megapixel front camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. Okay guys, it has a Snapdragon 732G 8nm octa-core processor. It has 6.8 inches full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support. It has 128 6GB and 64 4GB internal storage, supports UFS 2.1 speed, and it has dual nano SIM with hybrid micro SD card slot support. It has triple rear camera, 64 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. It comes with 6000 milliamp hour battery which supports 20-watt fast charging, quick charge 4. And if we talk about the software, it is running on latest Android 11. And for better security, it comes with rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Moto G40 Fusion. So you can see no SIM card found. Okay, if we swipe from bottom, you can see we get the app drawer, and you can see the stock Android. Yes, this is the stock Android feel. Pure stock Android feel you get in this phone. If we swipe from bottom, you can see we get the app drawer, and if we swipe from top, here you can see you will get the notification bar. And here's our helpful quick settings, and this is the brightness adjustment feature is also available there. And if we slide here, we get the Google Now feature available. Okay, and guys, the good thing is it comes with 120 Hz refresh rate with HDR10 support. Yes, which is a really good thing. The phone is running ultra smooth, you can see. Yep. The speed you can see. Yep, ultra smooth performance you get in the phone. So if we go in storage, let's check out how much storage we get out of 64GB. So here you can see over there 21% used, 50.28GB free out of 64GB, you can see. And as the storage manager feature is also available, just tap here to enable it. Your storage is now being managed by the storage manager, a really good feature. Okay, now quickly go back, and if we go in about phone, so you can see the device name Moto G40 Fusion. Here's the legal information and regulatory labels, and here you can see models and hardware. Here you can see the hardware information over there. So you can see the RAM 4GB, ROM 64GB. The one more variant is also available, which comes with 128GB ROM and 6GB RAM. Okay, and here's the display. You can see full HD plus display, and camera is also shown here. Front 16 megapixel, rear 64 plus 2 plus 8 megapixel, and you can see it supports dual SIM. Yes. Okay, now go back, and here you can see it is running on latest, yes, up to date latest Android 11. The Android version is Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security update, it is of July 1 2021, and Google Play system update is of January 1 2021. Okay, now go back, and here we get the build number. Okay, so now if we go and display, so here you can see the display refresh rate is set to 120 Hz. You can also set it to 60 Hz or auto. This is the use, and yeah, it recommend use AI to always show the optimal refresh rate. So I would suggest you select auto instead of 120 Hz. As you can see, guys, yeah, the phone is running ultra smooth, you can see, no doubt. Yep, the stock Android and with fast performance. And the good thing is it comes with the Snapdragon 732G processor for amazingly realistic games, sharper and high resolution photos, and ultra vivid videos. Yep, you get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G inside this phone. And here in back we get the 6000 milliamp hour long lasting battery, which is going up to 54 hours. Overall you get the ultimate fast performance in this phone. Okay, now if we talk about its camera, it has triple rear camera. So here are some shots I took with Moto G40 Fusion smartphones and different lighting condition with different modes. And now if we talk about its rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. Okay, and if we talk about its rear mounted fingerprint, output, and you can see it unlock. Okay, output. Okay, it takes some time to unlock the phone. Here you can see. Okay guys, it takes time. Nope. Yep, hello Moto, but the rear mounted fingerprint is below average. You can see, not good. Output, takes time to recognize. You can see output, and it takes time to recognize my finger. It might be software issue. Yep, in my knowledge it might be software issue, and I hope Motorola will fix this in a new update. But currently the rear mounted fingerprint is average. Yep guys, it is below average. You can see it takes time to unlock the phone. You can see. I hope Motorola will fix this soon as possible. Okay, now and if we talk about its face unlock performance, quickly check this out. Okay, I see, and it unlocked the phone. Try it many times in many ways. Look at the phone. Okay, I look at the phone. Okay guys, the face unlock is really very fast and responsive. You can see, I'm not seeing, I see, and yep, it quickly unlocked the device. You can see, I look, and it unlocked the phone quickly. Fast and responsive. The face unlock is really very fast and responsive. You can see, I look, and it quickly unlocked the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of Moto G40 Fusion smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.